Hello friends, I am Dr. Santosh Tokaram Shinde, Assistant Professor Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde, Mahavidyalaya Srigonda. We have started the topic Structure, Stability and Reactions of Reactive Intermediate. In previous lecture, we have seen what is intermediate, which type of intermediate may be formed in organic reactions, what is carbocation and the stability of carbocation. Today's lecture we are going to discuss new point or further point of this topic, that one is the generation of carbocation. There are number of methods which are used for the generation of carbocation. Out of that, first one is the generation of carbocation from alkene. We know that, or we have seen number of times when alkene react with H plus ion, the bond pair of electron move towards the H plus ion and automatically generation of carbocation takes place. Second method, generation of carbocation from alkyl halide. We know that alkyl halide, when undergo ionization, the carbocation get formed. Suppose that alkyl halide X is the iodine, bromine or chlorine. When rupture of that bond takes place, that halogen X is more electronegative as compared to alkyl group. There, after rupture of that bond, that halogen move towards the both bond towards electron towards itself, and the positive charge arises automatically on alkyl group. Therefore, the generation of carbocation takes place when alkyl halide undergo ionization. Suppose consider that tertiary butyl bromide undergo ionization. This is the SN1 reaction. When rupture of that CBr bond takes place, bromine is more electronegative as compared to carbon. When rupture of this CBr bond takes place, the bond pair electron go towards the bromine atom and the formation of positive charge takes place on the carbon, tertiary carbon atom. That tertiary carbon atom is called as the carbocation. The generation of carbocation takes place. That further undergo hydrolysis and formation of alcohol takes place from that alkyl halide. Third method, generation of carbocation from diazonium salt or by using diazotization reaction. When that diazonium, alkyl diazonium compound undergo ionization or undergo decomposition, the bond pair electron move towards the azo group and the formation of positive charge on alkyl group takes place. Therefore, we can generate the carbocation from diazonium. Further, fourth reaction, generation of carbocation from alcohol. We have seen number of times when alcohol, when treated with concentrated acid, it undergo protonation and loss of water molecule takes place to form a carbocations. Suppose that reaction, alcohol which having a lone pair of electron on oxygen, when that lone pair of electron take or react with H plus ion of concentrated H2SO4 or concentrated acid, the protonation of alcohol takes place. That further that intermediate species, that bond pair electron move towards the water molecule and rupture of that bond takes place with the formation of positive charge on alkyl group. That is the formation of carbocation takes place after the loss of water molecule. Fifth method, generation of carbocation from acyl halide. This is the well-known reaction, formation of acyl carbocation. That acyl halide, that halogen or chlorine having a lone pair of electron which attack on anhydrous AlCl3, which is a Lewis acid. When that attack on AlCl3, the formation of bond takes place between AlCl3 and chlorine. After that bond pair electron undergo the rupture of this bond and the formation of acyl carbocation takes place. This is the 5 methods which are used for the generation of carbocation. Next point of this topic is the reactions of carbocation. Carbocation is a very reactive and unstable species and can undergo further conversion to give a stable product. Carbocation show a following type of reactions. First one, it can undergo elimination of proton. It can show a reaction with nucleophile. Carbocation undergo addition reaction to unsaturated compound, and carbocation may be show a molecular rearrangement. Let us discuss each reaction one by one. First one, elimination of proton. Suppose consider reaction of amino group with NaNO2 and HCl to form HNO2 and NaCl takes place. That HNO2 when react with amino function group to remove OH group, and further result of this one is the formation of diazoalkyl group. That diazo group is a well-living group and undergo departure of this bond takes place, and due to removal of diazo group, the formation of carbocation may be takes place on that space alkyl group. That carbocation is unstable and it can show the removal of proton which are present on the adjacent carbon atom. That means it can undergo elimination of proton and show a elimination reaction. Second reaction, that one is the reaction with nucleophile. We know that carbocation is the unstable species. If you see in that example that carbocation is the secondary carbocation and it is an unstable species, the positive charge which is present on that species, when it comes in contact with water, that water, oxygen, which possesses a lone pair of electron which attack on that carbocation, and it can undergo a nucleophilic addition, that is a reaction with a nucleophile. As like this, the secondary carbocation when comes in contact of bromine, it attack bromine which acts as nucleophile which attack on secondary carbocation and to form the bromination, bromine ion attack on that and to form a alkyl halide or alkyl bromide. As like secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation also shows such type of reaction and nucleophilic addition reaction and to form alcohol. Third reaction, that one is the addition to unsaturated compound. Suppose consider that carbocation, that one tertiary carbocation, when react with alkene 2-methyl propane, that alkene which having a pi bond, when that pi bond attack on that carbocation, automatically the formation of carbocation takes place on the carbon atom. That means it can undergo, that carbocation can undergo addition reaction with unsaturated compound. Carbocation may be undergo molecular rearrangement. Suppose consider, we know that primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation, we have already seen last time. We know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, and secondary carbocation is more stable than primary. If you see in that example, this is the primary carbocation, that is the unstable carbocation. That unstable carbocation, there is a proton on adjacent carbon atom. If that proton undergo rearrangement or shifting of proton takes place from 1 to hydride shift from that carbon atom to that's called as the molecular rearrangement. After that rearrangement, the primary carbocation get converted into secondary carbocation, that one is the stable carbocation. Also, you can see in say next example, that one is the secondary carbocation. When that compound undergo 1 to methyl shift or 1 to alkyl shift, that secondary carbocation get converted into tertiary carbocation. That called as the molecular rearrangement by shifting of alkyl or methyl group from 1 carbon atom to second carbon atom. Next point of this topic is the applications of carbocation intermediate species. The generation of carbocations in large number of synthetic sequence is very well established. Thus, Friedel-Crafts reaction is useful for introducing COCH group in aromatic moiety by a electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene ring. We know that reaction of benzene with acyl halide in presence of ElCl3 Lewis acid, the reaction of CH3COCl with ElCl3, the generation of acyl carbocation takes place. That acyl carbocation is a reactive and unstable species which react with benzene ring by electrophilic substitution reaction, and the formation of acyl benzene product takes place from that starting material. As like that, resorcinol also react with the same species to form acylation on resorcinol at ortho and para position. Again, bromobenzene when react with acylating agent such as acetic anhydride in presence of ElCl3 and carbon disulfide solvent, the acylation takes place at para position and to form a para bromo acetophenone from that species. Further application, benzene when react with acetic anhydride in presence of ElCl3 to form this product. Again, thiophene react with acyl chloride in presence of tin chloride. Acylation takes place on ortho position or two position of thiophene. Again, benzene can show alkylation by using same carbocation intermediate. When benzene react with alkyl halide in presence of ElCl3, same way acyl group, that formation of alkyl carbocation takes place, and that acts as a electrophile and can undergo electrophilic substitution reaction to form a alkyl benzene. That means alkylation takes place on benzene ring takes place. These are the number of alkylation reaction we have shown here to form a different alkylation on benzene ring. These are the number of applications of carbocation such as acyl carbocation and alkyl carbocation, which is generated by using Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation way. Next application of carbocation is the non-classical carbocation. What is non-classical carbocation? Carbocation which are more than tricoordinate are called as the non-classical carbocation. These carbocation are cyclic, bridged ion and possess a 3-center bond in which 3 atoms can share 2 electrons. That is, it is 3-center 2 electron bonding. The non-Bourneil carbocation is called as the non-classical carbocation. For example, acetylysis of hexabromylate and endobromylate gives same product. That one is the hexoacetylysis takes place on that non-Bourneil system. The mechanism of that non-Bourneil system by using non-classical carbocation way, that 1,6 bond, when OBS bond get rupture, that formation of carbocation takes place and 1,6 bond simultaneously get attack on that, and formation of that non-Bourneil carbocation takes place on that system. That is the 3-center 2 electron bonding is called as the non-classical carbocation. This video is for only educational purpose. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.